American drone dominance is now a national priority. The mission: thousands of aircraft, contested skies, no time to waste. But most commercial flight controllers were not built for denied or degraded operating conditions. Traditional defense solutions can be costly, slow to integrate, and tailored to individual platforms. Systems technology solves this gap, delivering the Falcon Flight Control Unit. Built for rapid fielding, resilient operation, and attritable aircraft, the Falcon FCU integrates natively with leading GPS-denied navigation, EW resilient sensing, and third-party autonomy without rewriting the core flight stack. Inside the Falcon FCU, sovereign U.S. supply chain, triple redundant inertial sensors, redundant GNSS, hardened for the environments that ground consumer hardware, unmatched deployment speed, and 65-plus years of STI adaptive control heritage. The only thing that keeps an airframe flyable through damage, payload shifts, and disturbances the rest can't compensate for. STI Falcon Flight Control, the architecture behind American drone dominance.